Hi guys, it's me Chris and welcome back to Cris Eats. And for today's mukbang, we are having the Cardi B and Offset meal. We're gonna try their favorite meal at McDonald's. And you see naman, we have our drink as well. It's also Cardi B. It's so cute and Offset. So I just added chicken nuggets, but um, their meal is really this cheeseburger, a quarter pounder, a large fries, and an apple pie. So there you have it. We also have our sauce for our chicken nugget. We have the sweet and sour and the barbecue. And I have my ketchup here. So guys, if you are ready to try Cardi B and Offset's favorite McDonald's meal, I am too. And I'm excited. So let's start. It's orange juice. My favorite sauce. Just cheeseburger. Nothing really special. Just cheeseburger. Which I like. And there you have it, guys. We are done for another mukbang. But I just want to tell you guys a little something about myself. I really love McDonald's. This is one of my favorite fast food because it brings back a lot of memories when I was in high school. So I remember every Friday my friends and we would go to McDonald's. You know, we don't have much money, but we will save our money for Fridays so that we can go to McDonald's, and then we would just order a cheeseburger or just a plain burger and with fries. And you know what? It's so much fun. That's like the best days of my life is being with my friends in high school, and I miss them so much. So we love McDonald's. If you did enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. Of course, hit your notification bell so you'll always be updated to my latest video. Have a good day. Bye.